Good morning, children. Welcome to GK session. Today we are going to learn lesson number 32, martial arts. Please take out your textbook, take lesson number 32. So, martial art is a combat sport which is practiced for a number of reasons like self-defense, military, etc. There are several styles of armed and unarmed combat. So, it is a combat sport which is practiced for self-defense, military, etc. So, martial arts, there are different types of martial arts or different styles of armed and unarmed combats. Okay. Read the descriptions and unjumble the letters to find the names of the martial arts. Here, given some description about the martial art and its name is given in jumbled form. We have to unjumble that letters to find out the name of the martial art. First one, it is an Olympic sport of unarmed combat. No kicking or punching is permitted in it. In Japanese, it means gentle way. So, this is a type of Olympic sport which is of unarmed type, or otherwise it is a unarmed combat, and no kicking or punching is allowed in this martial art. And in Japanese it means gentle way. The meaning of this art is gentle way, and here it is given in jumbled form UJDO, and the name of this martial art is Judo, JUDO. Write in your textbook, JUDO. Judo is this Olympic sport. Next one, it is a martial art originated in Korea. It has been an Olympic sport since 2000. So next one is this one, that is Taekwondo. Here given Taekwondo. Write the spelling properly, TAEKWONDO. And it is a martial art which is originated in Korea, and it has been considered as one of the Olympic sports since 2000. It is considered in this sport is being included in Olympics since 2000, and the name of this is Taekwondo. Next one, third one, you can see here. In China, it is known as Wushu. It has been derived from Shaolin monks, and the name of this sport is Kung Fu, KUNGFU, Kung Fu. You can see here, and it is from China, and it is known as Wushu in China, and it has been derived from Shaolin monks, and this sport or this martial is derived from Shaolin monks. Next one, you can see the picture here. It was first practiced by Buddhist monks in China. In Japanese, it means empty hand. It is a combination of meditation and self-defense skill. And the answer is karate. You can see the picture here. And this karate was practiced by Buddhist monks in China. And the meaning of karate in Japanese is empty hand. And in this karate, it is a combination of meditation and self-defense skill. In the school, karate is being taught to you as a self-defense skill. Now, moving on to the fifth one, you can see here, it is in Japanese, it means gentleness and art. The fighters try to knock each other off balance by striking. And the name of this sport is Jujutsu. Spelling is JUJUTSU. And as per this martial art, it is a gentleness and art. It means the meaning of this Jujutsu is in Japanese, it means gentleness and art. And in this martial art, the fighters try to knock each other by striking off balance. Next one is sixth one. This is sixth one. It is a martial art based on an ancient form of Japanese sword fighting. Nowadays, bamboo sticks are used instead of a real sword. Earlier, real sword was used in this martial art, and the name of this martial art is Kendo, and it is an ancient form of Japanese sword fighting. Nowadays, instead of this sword, real sword, bamboo sticks are being used for safety. Okay, and the name of this martial art is Kendo. Next one, seventh one is sumo wrestling. You can see here sumo wrestling. In this game, the wrestler is called Sumo 3, and he is big and heavy and aims at throwing his opponent out of the ring. You can this sumo wrestling is played inside a ring, and the wrestler is called as sumo 3, and the wrestler is big and heavy and he aims at throwing his opponent out of the ring. He aims at throwing the opponent out of the ring. Next one is this one. It is a sport of Thailand known as Thai boxing. It is also referred to as the science of 8 limbs, and the name of that martial art is Muay Thai, and this is known as the science of 8 limbs. It is referred to the science of 8 limbs, and this sport is originated in Thailand and is known as Thai boxing. Okay, so complete this page in your textbook. Let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.